Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Cognitive Advanced LX label printer, specifically the LBT42 2043 Co-1 model. We're talking about the J-ZMQER AC-DC adapter, a power supply unit designed to keep your printer running smoothly and efficiently. This isn't just any generic adapter. It's engineered to be fully compatible, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance for your specific label printer. The first thing that stands out about this J-ZMQER adapter is its impressive input voltage range. It operates seamlessly from 100V to 240V at 5060 Hz, making it a truly global solution. Whether you're using it at home, in the office, or even traveling internationally, this adapter is ready to power your device without needing any voltage converters. This universal compatibility is a huge convenience, eliminating worries about different power standards. Beyond compatibility, what truly sets the J-ZMQER adapter apart is its commitment to safety. The manufacturer proudly states their products comply with top industry standards, backed by international quality certification. This translates into real-world protection for your valuable equipment. The adapter incorporates numerous safety mechanisms, including robust protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. This comprehensive suite of safeguards provides immense peace of mind, knowing your printer is protected from potential electrical mishaps. It's a crucial detail, often overlooked, but vital for the longevity of your electronics. The brand emphasizes that choosing their products brings convenience and allows users to enjoy high-speed charging, ensuring an ideal daily life. For a printer PSU, this signifies efficient and consistent power delivery, ensuring your printer is always ready to perform its tasks without lag or power interruptions. It's about reliable, uninterrupted operation. A helpful note from the brand reminds potential buyers to always double-check and ensure they choose the right device before purchasing. This attention to detail underscores their commitment to customer satisfaction and proper product matching. For anyone needing a dependable power solution for their Cognitive LBT42 2043 Co-1 Advanced LX label printer, the J-ZMQER AC-DC adapter presents itself as a robust, safe, and highly compatible option. It's designed to offer peace of mind and consistent performance, making it a smart choice for maintaining the operational efficiency of your label printer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.